In this video, let's learn how to create a single crochet stitch. To do a single crochet stitch, stick your hook into the next hole. So, there are 3 strands of yarn on your hook. Your hook should be in front of the working yarn, and the tip of the hook is facing you. Next, we need to do a yarn over. Bring the hook down below and behind the working yarn, so that the hook is grabbing onto that yarn. Then, pull the yarn through just the first 2 loops on your hook. The moment you pull the working yarn through those 2 loops, push your hook off to your yarn hand to secure your new loop on your hook. So you should have 2 loops on your hook right now. Now the hook should still be in front of the working yarn. Tip of the hook is facing you. We are going to yarn over again. So bring the hook down below and behind the working yarn, and then pull that yarn through both loops on your hook. So you're left only 1 loop on the hook. That is a single crochet stitch. Okay, let's try it again. Put the hook into the next hole. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops on your hook. Push your hook off to your yarn hand. Yarn over again. Pull that yarn through both loops on your hook. Single crochet stitch finished.